170 grams of butter, 150 grams of cocoa powder, 150 grams of castor sugar, a quarter of a teaspoon of salt, 140 grams of flour, and I used a sachet of vanilla sugar as I didn't have any vanilla essence. Preheat the fan oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a square baking pan with butter. Put the butter in a saucepan over medium-high heat. Gradually add your cocoa powder and then mix until it's thoroughly mixed. This is the kind of consistency that we are aiming for. Let it cool until it's just warm to the touch. You can dip your finger in it to check. In the meantime, put your flour into your bowl. Now add the sugar, salt, and vanilla. Now pour in your chocolate mixture. Stir the ingredients well. Add the eggs one at a time, beating with the wooden spoon after every addition, just until mixed. Pour the batter into the prepared pan. Spread it evenly with the spatula. Here I am banging it on the worktop to ensure my bottom will be flat and to get rid of air bubbles. Put it in your preheated oven for 25 minutes. This is what it should look like. Don't overbake it or the brownies will be dry. Cut it into squares and the brownies will be ready to eat.
They smell really good. I'm going to try one now.